kid. Something's beeping at me. Yo world. We're back. That's the wrong keys. How did I manage that? Damn. Oh man. They're going left. We can't go. That ain't no thing. Wasn't no thing. I hate when you do that though. Do a nice little pull and then get thwarted. Nice sounding Infinity with a giant dento in the door. You're welcome, FedEx man. Ballsy, kid. coffee and beer. Coffee and beer. Actually, the last time that I recorded, when I did get beer, it's the same beer, which is not fun, I know, but it is actually the last time that I bought it too, so I don't know, I kind of I mean, I like generally IPAs or more flavorful beers than just like, you know, like a light beer. Not that I won't drink a light beer, but I wouldn't say that I really dibble dabble too much. Like if I'm out, I will pick a beer that I don't normally get, but when I'm buying beer for home, you know, I don't really mix it up too much. But when I travel, and obviously like I want to get like the local stuff. I do wonder what that place is, because so many people go in and out at all times of the day. I think I really need to do my valves again, if I'm honest. It's been like 1,300 miles. Of course, as I say that, and I'm just like, I should just shift up too, but come on guys, come on, come on, come on, what the heck is going on here? So yeah, I did first time I attempted mine own valve adjustment was at 9,000 miles, and I'm at 10,311.1 right now. So they say if it's I mean, the nice thing about doing it yourself is you can just say, I want to do it, I need to do it, so you do it. But again, dude, this guy is like not fucking paying attention. As I said many times during my process, I intentionally did it a little bit looser. Yeah. So, I did think I was going to need to be due for it sooner than the typical 3,000 or so miles. And even then, I feel like I kind of started to notice it around like 2,400 or 2,500 miles. So, like that it could use it. I just always kind of, to a T, was going to the dealership at 3,000 or more. No biggie. Maybe we have a big stretch of several days of it or something. Well, what is this guy say? Oh, he's going into the right. Are you kidding me, bro? That's a fucking maneuver and a half if I've ever seen one. Something's beeping at me. Oh, you know what it is? I gotta put the attendance up for my league race next week, next Monday, season finale. And it's right now. I set an alarm for 6 p.m., 5:55 on Wednesdays, and that's what it is right now. So made pretty good time though. I'm about 10 minutes from home ish, so I'll have like 10 minutes to spare before I gotta go back to work. So that's pretty good. But it's kind of getting a little dark, and it's not like a fun dark, you know, not like worth being a night moto vlog. So we'll probably just say our goodbyes, bid our farewells. Thanks for watching this gem. This gem of a vlog. And thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Bye.